Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M33 5G smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can remove face lock in your phone Samsung Galaxy M33 5G. I already set face lock and it is opened with my face ID. If you want to unlock it, if you want to remove it, just go to the settings and click on biometrics and security. Click on face recognition. Already it's showing face registered. I would like to remove this face registration in my phone. So click on face recognition and give your pattern for authentication. You have to draw your screen lock pattern. Now click on remove face data. Remove face data and click on remove again here. And now yes, face lock is removed. And unless you set face lock, you cannot use face lock right now. In this way you can easily remove face lock in your phone Samsung Galaxy M33 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.